Thank you for the time. My name is Gidi Taida, NPM 047. The Chapter 2, Definition of Learning Research. The term media comes from the Latin word medium, which means middle, intermediary, or introduction, intermediary, or delivery of messages from sender to receive message. According in the AECT, Association of Education and Communication Technology, quote by Basyaruddin, media is everything the form used for the information distribution process. While another definition of media is any tool that can be used as the tool channeling message in order to achieve learning objective. 3. From this definition, it can be said that the media is something that has a conditioning message and can be stimulating the thought, feeling, and willingness of the audience student, so that they can encode the learning process in him, such as TV, radio, slide, photography, teacher, math diagram, and chat, or the real object. Gerlach and Ellie 1007 said the media then understood broadly speaking, it is the people, material, or event that make students able to acquire knowledge, skill, or attitude. More so, especially the notion of media, the teaching and learning process tend to be interpreted, graphic, photographic, or electronic tool for capturing, process, and registering visual and verbal information. 9. Hernick and Frame suggests the term medium or media as an intermediary to deliver information between source and receiver. So, television, film, photo, radio, audio, recording, picture, once project, print material, and the like are media communication. If the media carries message information containing teaching, the media is called media learning. It's all about my material. Thank you.
Good morning. Thank you for the time. I am Soleman Andrian Ngendi Ate, NPM 0056. Well, I will read my part. Learning resources are divided into 5 types, namely Haman, teaching materials, tools or equipment, activities, and the environment. A. Haman is meant by Haman learning resource person community is a person who delivers directly, convey and present teaching message without us other taught at emerges. Example: teacher, tutor, lecturer, speaker, resource person, and ad. By teaching materials, material as teaching resource is something that has a message for teaching purpose either surpassing the tool or material itself. Without tools and super this material is often referred to as media or software. Example: book, model, transparency, video, tab, map, card, table and card, news, historic figures, tab, recorder, and add. G. Tool and equipment. Tool and equipment in this is interpreted as a device used to convey and display the message stored in the material earlier. This tool is ordinarily called hardware or hardware device. Example: projector, OHP, television, monitor, tape recorder, radio set, and add. In this case, it is a technique which is defined as a content procedure coordinated with other learning resources to deliver teaching or subject matter. Example: simulation learning system module, field trip, discussion, lecture, question and answer, and add. The activities in this case are in the form of techniques, which are defined as coherent procedure or references that are combined and coordinated with other learning. So to convey teaching or subject matter, for example, simulation, model learning, system, field trip, question and answer, and add. E. Environment. What is meant by environment as a course of learning is a place or room or situation around the learning process. Something that can affect students' learning environment. This can be divided into two types, namely the physical environment, buildings, schools, libraries, laboratories, museums, musicales, and art, and the non-physical environment, study room layout, ventilation, water, and air. In terms of type or origin, learning resource can be divided into two categories. A. Learning resource designer, learning resource by designer. Namely, learning resources that are deliberately made or used for the purpose of helping teaching and learning. Example: slide, transcript, visual film, OHPs, book, and add. B. Learning resources that are easily available, so they are easy to get, namely learning resources that have been there for non-purpose instructional but learning resource typed by designer. Example: museum, zoo, safari, garden, market, shop, and add. AET, Education for Education, Communication, and Technology. Classify the type of learning resource onto six, namely: A. Message, namely information transmitted forward by other components in the form of IDs, fast meaning, and data. Included in the message group are all fields of study, subject matter or course that must be provide service to PSB user. B. People. People, namely human, as storage processing, presenter, message. In this group, when viewed from the internal side, the staff of the learning resource can themselves are included in the PSB organizational structure, namely sole principal, PSB coordinator, administrative, personnel, hire of learning system development unit, hire of the service unit, and hire of the media development unit. Apart from the PSB staff itself, student teacher or lecturer, instructor, and educational staff are included in this learning resource. G. Material, namely software that contain messages to be presented to the host of taught on by himself. Various media programs are included in the material category, consisting of two criteria, namely simple materials and update material. For example, transparency, slide, film, audio, video, modules, magazine, and others. D. Devices, namely the hardware of the convey message stored in material. Overhead in video, tape television tape. E. Techniques, namely procedure of references prepared for async material. Equipment, people, and the environment to convey message. For example, programmed learning, self-study, demonstration, lecture, and art. Environment setting, namely V. The surrounding situation in which the message is conveyed. The environment can be physical, school building, library, laboratory, studio art, and non-physical environment, learning, atmosphere, and also. Okay everyone, thank you for attention.
Hello, my name is Novida Wanyeskel, NPM 0066. I will read future material about benefits of learning resources. In general, educational media has the following as. Number 1, clarify the presentation of the message so that it's not too first plastic in the form of more written or spoken words. Number 2, overcoming the limitation of space, time, and senses as. Number 3, the use of approach and varied educational media can overcome the passive attendance of students. In this case, the educational media is useful. Number 4, allow a more direct interaction between students with the environment and reality. Number 5, allow students to learn on their own according to their abilities and interests. Number 6, provide the same stimulant. Number 7, increase the experience. Number 8, can provide a more crowd and different learning experience. Number 9, can add and expand the horizons of science in the classroom. According to Dale, argues that audiovisual materials can provide many benefits as long as the teacher play an active role in the learning process. The teacher-student relationship remains the most important elements in today's modern educational system. Teacher must always be present to present lesson material with the help of any media so that the following benefits can be realized. Number 1, increase mutual understanding and sympathy in the classroom. Number 2, resulted in significant change in student behavior. Number 3, show the relationship between subject and needs and ask students to increase student motivation. Number 4, bring freshness and variety to the student learning experience. Number 5, making learning outcomes more meaningful for various student abilities. Number 6, exploring meaningful use of subject by engaging imagination and activist participation, resulting in interest learning outcomes. Number 7, provide the necessary feedback that can help students discover how much they have learned. Number 8, complaining in the risk experience with the experience competence and can periodically be developed. Number 8, broaden student. In this, an experience that relieves non-verbalistic learning and make appropriate generalization. Number 9, confident themselves that order and clarity of thought are what students need if they come from meaningful structure of component and system or ideas. The last, according to Sujana and Rifai, suggests the benefits of learning media in the student learning process, namely, number 1, learning will attract more student attention so that it can foster learning motivation. Number 2, learning materials will have clear meaning so that students can better understand them and enable them to master an activist learning objective. Number 3, teaching methods will be more varied, not solely verbal communication toward warning by the teacher, so that students do not get bored and teachers do not run out of energy, especially if the teacher turns off every class hour. The last, students can do more learning activities because they don't only listen to the teacher's description but also other activities such as observing, doing, demonstrating, acting out, and others.